This is Menina from mediaboxentlab. Today we have a mobile controller for FPS games. Today we have a video game controller for cell phones, iPads, and tablet PCs. It can be used for Fortnite, Knives Out, King of Glory, and Mobile Legends. You can also use it for Arena of Valor, Dragon Nest SEA, FIFA, and more.
Yep. I like to play Mobile Legends, so that's what we got this. So let's open and let's give it a shot. Let's see how easy it makes to use crazy fingers on the screen. So let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, it comes in a nice carrying case. So that's it. When we finish playing, you can put it back. Oh yes, if you want to be cool, you can hand this in your backpack. Hand it there and right there. So hey, let's open this thing. Oh nice, yeah. Oh, I like it. So let's see. So we should put this one this way. Yeah, here even has a mark there. So let's put it right there. Oh yeah. Nice and easy. And now let's put the screen back again. Yes. And now we can move. Nice and smooth. Easy to play the game. If you guys play Fortnite, I think that will make it nice and easy. Yes. Let's go right there and let's kill some enemies. But hey guys, I think it's... Yes. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright. Alright. So I think with this... Alright, yes. Okay, that's it. So with this we complete the tutorial. Nice and easy to... Hey, let's kill this guy. Easy to... Hey, come on. That's it. To play the game or any other games you like to play in the mobile phone. Thank you.